Alright, doing an EDC update. Got what I carried today. I've got some more stuff over there that I'll go through in a bit. First off, I've got the Timex Expedition rugged model watch. I've had that since my birthday. Bandana. Got my keys here, and on there I've got an Inca Space Pen, which collapses. You can unscrew everything to make it a full-size pen. And I've got a Victorinox Classic that I got from Chad at Sufficient Survival. I've got a Rescue Me rescue tool and Swedish Fire Steel, the Scout 2.0 model to light my fire. I've got a microfiber cleaning cloth, chapstick, lighter. I switched out my wallet a couple weeks ago. I got the this is the Chums Surf Shorts wallet. It's already starting to fray a tiny bit right there, as you guys might be able to see. But I've got my flag patch right there. So I've got like my ID and stuff right there, and then I've got some extra paper. Keep my cash in there with a doggy bag. Doggy bag's on that side, but stuff towards the bottom. You can tell it's that blue thing right there. And then this side is just mini med kit, and it's got the little bit of reading material if I ever get lost. Flashlight, Bushnell 100 Pro pen light. Multi-tool was the Victorinox Super Tinker. Blade, the buck knives, canoe. It's the Walmart edition. I like it. It's pretty cool. Alright, so then go right over here. Show you some more stuff. So the bandanas will switch out. I've got more than that. The other ones are in the wash, but I'll switch out colors. Lighters, I'll switch out. Got some pretty cool ones. But I'll switch those out. Sometimes I'll switch my flashlight out. Depends on what I'm carrying. So Ultra Fire Cree Q5. It's not bad. It's about 100 lumens. It might be 80 or 100, I forget. Knives, I'll switch out with the Opinel number 8 Trekker. Got another number 8. This is the carbon steel, just your plain number 8. Kershaw Oh So Sweet. Been trying to carry knives that are smaller, about that size. You can tell they're all kind of the same. I got rid of my larger ones. Got the Winchester, just a 3-inch folding pocket knife is what it said. Got this for Christmas from my uncle. Got this from Chad. Sufficient Survival, I got this from JP Frogtech's Gear Sanctuary. I got this one for Christmas for my parents. Got this one for my parents as well for Christmas. Oops. This is a Spyderco Assault. Very nice, lightweight, based on the Delica 4. Very thin. I've got the Benchmade Mini Griptilian. And then multi-tool I'll switch out with, you've seen this a lot, is the Juice XE6. And then I've got a Winger Champ, but I had to soak it in baking soda because it smells like smoke. The person that I traded with did not say that there's a smoking household, so it reeks like cigarette smoke, and I don't smoke anymore, so it makes me sick. But it is what it is. Still a great knife. It's in very good condition, so can't complain too much. But yeah, that's it. Pretty simple. I'll let you guys know how the wallet works out. But for now, it's okay. I do wish right off the bat this keyring will slide all the way down, which is kind of annoying. I wish they'd just sew it right there. I probably will at some point. But yeah, that's it.